Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus, and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find the display. Let's tap on it. Then let's scroll down until you will find the screen timeout option. Let's tap, and as you can see here we've got some options from which we can choose. At the top we've got relatively short options like 15 or 30 seconds, and at the bottom we've got the longest option, so 10 minutes. All you have to do in order to change the screen timeout is to tap on the option you'd like to use. So I'll choose, for example, 2 minutes. Just tap on it. As you can see, it will be immediately marked, and after getting back it is also notified right here, which means that from now on your device will black out after 2 minutes of inactivity. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.